Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we will discuss about the sampling theorem in ADC. So as per the definition, a continuous time signal can be completely represented in its discrete samples form and can be recovered back. The sampling frequency fs should be twice or more than the signal frequency fm. So this is the minimum criteria condition for the sampling frequency. At least it should be twice of the signal frequency. So it is in simple way to take the sample of any voltage level at different time interval. This is called the sampling to get the signal status. Suppose this is the example of a discharging battery. This is waveform of a discharge voltage of a battery, and here is the time. So battery having the 2 volt, but after the 40 minute it gets discharged around 0.9 volt. So suppose we are taking the sample every 10 minute. In every 10 minute we are taking the sample. This and this. So after the 10 minute the battery status voltage status this, and after 20 minute to overall 20 minute battery status this, and after 30 minute this, and 40 minute this. So we are taking the 4 sample in 40 minute because we are doing the sampling every 10 minute this, and then next 10 minutes this, then next 10 minutes this. So we are taking 4 sample in 40 minutes. So this is called the sampling frequency is, you can say, 4 times in 40 minutes. But if we increase the sampling frequency, if we we decrease the interval time, sampling time. Suppose we are taking the sample every 5 minutes. Okay, this and here, and here is already. So now we are taking the sample every 5 minutes. Here 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, then 15 minutes here, then 20 minutes, then 25 and 35 and 40. So what we can say, we are taking now 8 sample. If we count this, 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we are taking the 8 sample in 40 minutes. So what we have done, we have increased the sampling frequency. So this is called the increase of sampling frequency. In 40 minutes now we are taking the 8 sample. If we take the every 2.5 minute sample, so how many? So this is also called increase of sampling frequency. So if we see in sine wave, okay, this is sine wave, and you can assume it this is 1 hertz, and from here to here there is a 1 second time, 1 second. Now if we put the sampling frequency just twice of the signal frequency, this is signal, okay. So what is the meaning of, if we put the just twice of the signal frequency, so we can take only 2 sample of this signal, okay, and this is depend on capturing mood, या capturing way of you where you are capturing the signal. Generally, in sine wave we capture here. Sorry, one capture here and another capture here. So we get only two voltage level in the entire sine wave, but we do not know the voltage level here, from here to here, and here to here, and here to here, and here to here. Only we have the voltage level at this time and this time. Only two voltage level. So if we recover the, if as per the definition, and can be recover the back signal. If we recover the back signal, so we cannot get the accurate signal because we have only two non voltage level, but we don't have the what is the voltage level here and what is here and what is here, because our sampling rate is very less. Now if we increase the sampling rate 10 times, okay, so what we can do, we can take the 10 sample in 1 second. So we can take the 5 sample here, suppose one is here, another is here, and third is this, and fourth is this, and 5 is this. Okay, in next, in negative cycle we also can do like this, here, here, here. In this way we have more sampling rate at different time level, different time slot. So we can know that here is the volt at this time, here is the voltage level this, at this time here is the voltage level this, and this time this time this, and this time this. So this is the effect of sampling. So now you can get some, you can recover some original signal. If you, someone say you that how we can get the original signal from the analog to digital converter, back original signal. So for this the sampling frequency should be more or less. So the right answer of this, you can say, if we have the more and more sampling frequency in the ADC, then we can get the more and more pure accurate original input signal back from the ADC output. If we process it back to convert the digital to analog signal, so we can get. But this is the second thing. First thing, we only think analog to digital conversion. Now if we increase the frequency, as I said, if you, as much frequency you increase, sampling frequency you usually increase, more sample you can take. Now we increase the 20 times. So how much sample we can take? We can take the 20 sample of this signal in just 1 second. So now we can also capture the voltage level here also, here also, here, here, and here. And if you increase the here also, here, here. So as much as the sampling frequency you increase, you will get the more steps of the signal. So this is called the sampling frequency. Okay. So it is also same something sine wave. Now we talk about this. So you might have heard about the quantization. First thing is sampling, and second thing, second step is comes quantization. What is the quantization? Quantization just give, assign the bit level, voltage level to the sampling step. Here is the sampling stage. This is sampling point. This is sampling point, and we are giving here, assigning here the bit level. Here we started from 0 to 7. So 0 is the minimum voltage, 0 is minimum voltage, and 7 number is the maximum voltage of this waveform. So hope you got what is the sampling frequency from my video, and if you have anything in your heart, you didn't understand anything, so please comment me and I will answer that. And if you liked my video, you got something from my video, so please like and subscribe my video and wait for the next video.